everything here. I got the Cyclone F series, Hyperjet Flow, Stockholm Superstream, you name it.
What do you recommend?
Now, what are you looking for?
Power, man. Power.
Like Silkwood.
That's for radiation.
That's right.
No, what is this?
That's the Commando 450. I don't sell that one. What about this?
No, that's what we want. It's a Commando 450.
No, believe me. It's only used in the circus. It's for elephants.
Just give it to us.
Yeah, we'll pay anything. We've got that. What about James?
He couldn't handle that. He's delicate.